What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today I have a few really sweet deals for you. It's gonna be a short video, I hope. Y'all know me though. So let's go ahead and get into it. First off, over at Home Depot, I want to show y'all. This is actually on an accident. I don't even know why it's in my cart, but we have this Makita hammer drill. It's 18 volts on a buy one get one. If you add this to the cart and you add that battery, it's going to break down to be $89.50, which we've seen this as low as like $69 at Tractor Supply on the clearance, but you had to run all over town getting that in here. You could just get it from Home Depot and have them deliver it right to your door, or pick it up in the local store and don't pick up the battery, and there you go. So you have that. Now we want to go ahead and remove this, right? So we can change something else up. Probably shouldn't have removed it because now I need to add it to the description later on. But we have this impact driver, and this is not just your basic on-off like some of the other lower end Makitas. This is the XDT14Z, and this one has quick shift mode and other different speeds on there, so it'll handle all your different projects from heavy duty work to very light duty work, and those are the type of impact drivers I enjoy. You already saw the price. Once you added the car, add the free battery, it breaks down to be $67.69. You'll be hard pressed to find a better impact driver for the money. Now, moving on, going back up to this thing, I still had this in my cart, this 40 volt Makita deal. It's $311.11 now. You guys remember when I showed it to you last time, it was $222. $222. Next time you see it at that price, grab it. Grab it if it's another BOGO and it's $222, go ahead and grab that, because my goodness, right? That was an incredible price. Now I have buyer's remorse. Moving on. Well, I don't have buyer's remorse. I have non-buyer's remorse. There you go. Non-buyer's remorse. Moving on over to Lowe's. Yeah, I know. Lowe's. You might be wondering why I have this up, because I've showed it to you already. But for $99, you get this Metabo HPT impact driver, 1,800 32-inch pounds. The Makita was rated at $1,550. But again, when you get into those numbers, honestly, that does everything. It's going to do. I mean, at that point, you're getting into a realm at 1,800 inch pounds where you like doing lug nuts, and you don't even do stuff like that on using an impact driver. Like, it's insane. You can in a pinch. That's all you got. Oh man, I forgot my impact wrench. Then all right, go ahead. But that's not what this is built for. But they can do it. But all the stuff that it's built for, they're all doing it. So, you don't need to get into that. What you want to get into is like warranty, ergonomics. Makita has great ergonomics. Metabo HPT has excellent ergonomics. Milwaukee, anyway. All right, so this kit right here for $99 comes with two 1.5 amp hour batteries. These batteries do not have battery indicators on there, but there is one on the tool. So you have to pop it in the tool to see what the battery juice is looking like. For all you guys that want to complain about that, your Milwaukee M12s don't do that either, okay? So no Milwaukee M12, no Bosch 12 volt battery system has indicators on there. Very small compact batteries, but everybody else, they have them on their 12 volt stuff. But these are the older Metabo HPT batteries. They don't have them, but it is on the tool. For $99, you get that charger in the bag. Excellent deal. Lifetime warranty, no gimmicks, nothing to register and all that. Now, let's move on over, because, it's not been a whole lot of deals. So I had to pull something out for y'all from ToolsPlus. Now, I got some deals. Now, we haven't even got to the super good stuff. Now, that Makita was really good. All right, so we have the same thing over here, but if you notice, it says two 2 amp hour batteries, not 1.5. And they don't show the picture, but the 2 amp hour batteries are the new Metabo HPT batteries with the fuel gauge or the battery indicator on the actual battery, and those batteries are black and green. Not this black and silver remedial looking nonsense. So they're the black and green ones, but it's $50 extra. Do I feel like that's worth it? No, not at all. I mean, while I like knowing, just being able to pick the battery up off the shelf and knowing where it's sitting, I could pop it in the tool for $50. I mean, I ain't doing all that. But that's up to you right there. Now, let's move on to the good stuff. All right, and I'm saving the best for last. This tab right here. Boy, get ready. So we have this Metabo HPT. Absolutely absurd. You don't need this rotary hammer drill, okay? It is an open box. All their open box stuff is new. When they say open box, that literally is what it is. Someone opened a box, picked it up and was like, ah, ha, 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 look at this, ha, ha, I'm Rambo, and then put it back down, and now they discount it. And who's called me cheap? Hold on. Lost my train of thought. But you don't need this thing. This is normally, I don't even remember, it's normally something absurd. And anything else in this arena is also very absurd. This is one of the most powerful battery-operated rotary hammer drills on the market, and it's only $289.33. I have no idea what I paid for, but I bought the same one, the open box from ToolsPlus. It came in a hard case too. They don't show any of that stuff. Yeah, it's not saying any of that, but mine came in a hard case. I bought a open box. It was tool only, and so there you have that. I want to show you that. And now finally, for the real good thing, we have this 36 volt Metabo HPT hammer drill. I had this drill. It's great. It's really, really good. Is it the best on the market? It depends on what you're using it for. It is excellent for drilling in a brick and concrete. It's one of the best that I've used for doing that. But as far as other tasks and little features, like how the Bosch has the special alignment, I don't do all that. But $129 for the kit. Comes with two 2.5 amp hour batteries. You pop these on 18 volt tools. They become 5 amp hour batteries. They're a special charger that'll charge your device, charge your cell phone, and you can pop one of these batteries into this thing. Sans plugging it into the wall. You can just be in the car or whatever, pop the battery onto this thing, and then use that to charge your phone. Also with this drill, I edited the video and forgot to mention this. This can also be plugged into the wall using the AC adapter that Metabo HPT produces, and there is no other drill on the market that can do that. This is also IP56 rated, which means it has a level of dust proofing, waterproofing. You can actually hose this thing down with a strong jet and clean it off, and it'll be perfectly fine. If it's not, it has a lifetime warranty, again, which no other tool manufacturer has without all the extra gimmicks and hoops of registering and keep your receipt and all that other stuff. So yeah, there's that. So then it comes with the hard case, $129. You go over to Lowe's. Let me just show you, and this is new. This is not an open box, but if you go over to Lowe's, let me just show you what this costs. And while we're at Lowe's, don't forget about your Rakuten. Rakuten, you're going to get cash back. If you're new to Rakuten, use the link in the description to sign up. Get $30 cash back when you spend $30. Mainly on that $99 thing that I was talking about earlier. So anyway, Metabo right here, see it's $279 at Lowe's, and you're getting it over here for measly $129. And there it is. Unfortunately, there's no Rakuten or anything like that. That's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you got any value from my videos, I ask you to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time, and as usual, buy some merch.